Hi, my name is TJ Parks, and this is my video about the thematic unit that I got to observe. This is in completion of Development and Learning of the Young Child course. I got to witness Miss Alsop's first grade class, and they have been learning a lot about space. So I got to witness one of the activities that they did for the sun, the earth, and the moon. After talking to Miss Alsop, this unit's going very well. The kids seem very interested. I think it's something that they can grasp. It's something that they can see on a daily basis. So learning about the stars and the sun and the moon is something that they have a good grasp on. She said that the unit is going very well. They've done lots of activities with this. The activity that I witnessed today, she had one child be the sun, one child be the moon, and one child be the earth. And they figured out the orbit of the moon around the earth and the earth around the sun. It was kind of funny to watch first graders try and avoid desks and orbit around one another, and the earth was going too fast and the moon couldn't orbit. It was really fun, but the kids enjoyed it. They have an understanding of how it's supposed to go. After this activity, they made a chart on the board that were facts that they knew about the earth and the moon. And I was pretty impressed as a science teacher that kids in the first grade understood that the sun had hot spots and that the moon had craters and that there was no air in space. And that was really cool for me to see, because that's what my fifth graders are learning right now. So to know that they're getting at least an introduction to that in the first grade was really, really interesting for me to see. Ms. Alsop did mention that if she had this unit to do over again, this particular lesson, that she would have the children either go to the gym or out in the hallway to do this activity. There was limited space. She also said that their textbook still includes Pluto as a planet, so she had to go ahead and include that when they were doing their flip books of the planets, and she made sure to mention to the kids that it is now a dwarf planet. It's no longer considered a real planet, but it's in their textbook. So I made footage of the kids actually performing this activity, and they seem to have a lot of fun, so let's take a look.
Abby, and Abby, what are you again? The moon. Okay, and what does the moon do? Raphael, what does the moon do?
It goes around the earth.
It goes around the earth. Okay, so Sarah, can you step aside for a little bit? And then I need the earth to be in the middle. And what does the...
Jacob, you go.
Yeah, go in the middle a little bit, because Abby needs to go around you. Okay, so what does Abby do?
She goes around Jacob one time.
She goes around Jacob, doesn't she? Okay, so Abby, can you go around Jacob for us? All right, very good. Okay, so now here's the tricky part, and let's see if these three volunteers can do that. So, does the earth stop moving so the moon can move around it?
No.
No, so the sun is always going, the earth is always going around the sun, correct? Correct. Okay, so Mrs. Sun, can you come back in the middle? Okay, now, we're going to see if they can do this. I'm not sure. I hope they can. So, while the earth is going around the sun, I want the moon to go around the earth. Do you think it can be done?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, we might need to move these tables back. Move them back. Watch your fingers. Okay, so, all right, Miss Sun, you need to come right directly in the middle. So can you come stand right here? Very good. Okay, so, Earth, come here. Come stand right here. Okay, and then Moon, you need to go around the Earth as the Earth is going around the sun. Can y'all do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so Jacob, you need to start going around the sun. Whoa, what, Abby? You have Okay, so Abby, you have to go around the earth as he's going around the sun. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to be watching. You have to be watching what the earth is doing. So watch the earth. So go around the earth one more time. There we go. Okay, so now earth, go around the sun, and Abby's going to continue to go around you. Abby, go around, hurry.